Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a pop-up on Wix. Log into your Wix account and hover over the website you want to edit. Click Select and Edit Site. In the editor, click Add Elements on the left side, click Interactive, then click Pop-ups. You'll see 4 categories: Welcome, Subscribe, Promotion, and Contact. Select the category that matches your purpose. Click any template thumbnail, the editor switches to pop-up mode and your pop-up appears on the canvas. Click any text element inside the pop-up and click Edit Text to change the content. For images, click the image, then click Change Image to upload or select from Wix or Unsplash. To add extra elements like buttons or forms, drag them from the Add Elements panel. Drop when you see Attached to Pop-up appear. Click the pop-up background to open the Design panel. Change the background color or add an image or video. Click the Set Triggers button. Toggle Automatically Display Pop-up on Pages to Yes. Click which pages is it on and select the pages where you want it to appear. You'll see a delay slider. Drag it to set how many seconds pass before the pop-up appears after the page loads. Scroll down to configure close options. Enable the X icon, close button, or overlay. Click at least one must be active. Click Exit Mode at the top to leave pop-up mode. Click Publish in the top right corner. Your pop-up is now live. Here are 3 quick tips. If you want the pop-up to appear only when someone clicks a button, set Automatic Display to No, then select the button, click the link icon, choose Pop-up, and select your pop-up. You can edit the pop-up anytime by going to Pages and Menu on the left, clicking Pop-ups, and selecting your pop-up. If you use a form in the pop-up, form submissions are automatically added to your contacts in Wix. That's how you add a pop-up on Wix.